So we worked with Ahead to implement our vFlex for active data centers, and we didn't have the resources or the knowledge to do that, and they were instrumental in helping us design our network and infrastructure to support it, and then they did the installation and deployment. The results from the vFlex implementation has been over 3 years without a single outage, complete uptime. My briefing experience with Ahead has been wonderful. I've done several. They always have the right people, and it's tailored directly to my company's needs. They're amazing. I would describe the Ahead team as very knowledgeable, thoughtful, intelligent. They have a huge breadth of knowledge, a huge depth, and we can rely on them to answer really any technology question, anything related to architecture, forward thinking. They're our go-to company.